You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
All right, guys. Are we ready? We are going to do calorie burn. You have a secondary source for your heart rate and everything. I have an iPhone watch. Get that going. And we should be ready. 3, 2, 1. Hit the start. Don't worry about the resistance. It sets it for you. It's going to take us all over the place. Hopefully you watched my little tutorial on how to warm up before the start here. Now this calorie burn starts off at a resistance of 4. It's probably going to go up to a 10 or a 12. So just be ready for that. Next we're going to hit a 20. Bring us back down, and then it's going to climb a big ladder. If you're new to my channel, welcome. As you can tell here, we just hit resistance of 20. We feature the Bowflex Max Trainer. You guys give me a big old thumbs up. Hit the subscribe. Get that bell notification. Through this part, then we'll get talking a little bit. There we go. I don't know what I'm in the mood for today. Just make it through the workout, I guess. Now I like to spin above 20 when it drops down low, but you do what you can handle. This does have 6 stages. It's a 15-minute program. I do realize that the M3, M5, M7, the new M8 all has different programs. If you want to work out with me, just find the best one on your program. Some offer more. If we're having a problem with it, I'll feature more of the 14-minute interval if that helps out. Yeah, she's starting to climb up. We're at a resistance of 8 right now. 100 calories. Still on stage 2. I feel like setting the world on fire. Just get a nice groove here, that's all. Now if you are new here, you notice the name, the oil field workout guy. I'm Joe. I named it that because I live in the oil field of North Dakota. Originally from New Jersey. I used to be an inline speed skater. For cross training, I ran 5K running races. And for fun, I did marathons. Being out here in the oil field, a little hard to do all that. So, this is my primary source of staying in shape. I thought I'd share it with you guys. Stage 3. On a heart rate. Not ridiculous. Resistance of 14 right now. Just went to 60. Control your breathing. You got a long ways to go. We're in stage 3. 165 on the heart rate. And 200 calories. We're halfway there. All right, we're at the top of the wall, top of the mountain. Resistance to 20. Just maintain yourself. Don't get excited. You have to back off a little. Back off. Don't quit. That's it. Don't kill yourself. Just drop down. That feels a little better. Drops down to 4. Don't let it shock you. Just get a nice, good spin out of it. Recover yourself. There it is. Now remember, Just going to shoot straight up to 20. Just ease into it. Stage 4. Five minutes left. Alright, just ease into it. There's that hard resistance. I know it's like hitting a brick wall. Here's a helpful tip. When it goes hard resistance, use your upper body to help your legs. When you really lay into it with your tris and bis. Come on, use your imagination. Get behind me, stay with my pace. Don't let me get away. You can do that. There's 300 calories. Keep it going. Straight down. It's going to be easy, come back up, and then hold us at the top of the mountain again for a little bit. We're stage 5. Remember guys, when we get to this point of the program, you can quit. I can't stop you. But you're only quitting yourself. So just stay with it. Simply slow it down. Maintain. I'm hurting too, man. I'm an old dude. Top of the hill. Stay with me. Remember, every time the guy from high school used to kick your butt, this is your revenge. Go get him. Pass him. He's not working out no more. Last stage. Never made it this far before? I know you're excited now. We got some work to do. We want to hit 400 calories. I don't know if it's possible. We're going to try. That's it. 30 seconds. $3.95 with the calories. Come on. Still 10 seconds left. Through the finish line. Woo! Nice. 4:05. All right. See? Stick with my pace. I'll get you there. Good job.